Hi. Welcome to Professor Nikhil Gulati's YouTube channel. For learning 5 day-to-day vocabularies regularly with its meaning and an example, you are requested to subscribe the channel for regular free updates. So, let's get started. The first word is secret. This word is a noun which means a secret is something that you do not tell other people. The two boys were sharing a secret. Second word is shout. This word is a verb which means to shout is to say something loudly. My boss shouted at me because I was late for work. Third word is smell. This word is a verb which means to smell something means to use your nose to sense it. The two friends smelled the flower. Fourth word is terrible. This word is an adjective which means, if something is terrible, it is very bad. The way he treated his classmate was terrible. Fifth word is worse. This word is an adjective which means, if something is worse, it is of poorer quality than another thing. Business was worse this month than last month.